Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up?
How are you?
I'm good.
What are you doing?
Just play my game.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong.
What is stop?
Why? What's the matter?
My earbud is not working.
Really? Let me check. Yeah, I think the battery is the problem here. Did you charge it before using it?
Yes, I charged it for an hour.
When did you buy it?
I just bought it last week.
Last week. Seems too early for it to start having problems. Maybe you bought a cheap one?
No, I always buy original one. Where is he? Hello, I'm here. Where are you?
Just walk to your left.
I'm over here.
You are the seller, right? I'm here to receive my item. Do you have it?
You are in the right place. I have the item with me. Hold on a second. You know the price, right?
I know, 50 ringgit, isn't it?
Great. That just made my job easier. Pleasure doing business with you.
Maybe you should bring this up to the store.
Maybe. Think you can come along tomorrow?
Sure, I can.
Hi there, how may I help you guys?
Hey, I bought this earbud online, but they're not working right, and it keeps overheats.
Overheat? That's not normal. Mind if I take a look?
Here you go.
Give me a second. Alright, so here's the thing. This report doesn't fully match our models. I think this thing could be fake. Unfortunately, fakes can look really convincing on the outside, but on the inside, they usually use deeper parts. That's likely why you're getting overheat.
Fake? How could it be fake? I bought it for 50 ringgit.
I totally understand it's an expensive lesson, but next time, please check if it's real or fake.
I cannot believe it, I just got scammed.
Oh, calm down. Yo, calm down. Let's think about it for a while, alright? Maybe it'll be okay soon.
Wait a minute. That guy, he looked familiar. Hey, stop right there. Hey you're a scammer, right? Give me my money.
Whoa, bro, chill. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? Why did you scam me?
It's not my fault. It's my boss.
I taking you to the police.
No, please, no. Oh, shit. Apa ni?
Yo, what's up bro? Yo, what's up? What are you good? Tengok. Dah betul lah. What? Why the sound stop?
Why, what's up, man?
Still scared. Not working on.
It's not working on. What?
It's not working.
Aduh.
Hey, I bought this earbud online, but they know.
Hey.
Alright, so here's the thing. This earpods doesn't fully match our. I can speak.
Tapi. Yeah.
Fake? How could it be fake? Fake? How could it be fake?
Atau.
Pula. Fake? Apa? Fake? How could it fake? Fake? How could it be fake? I thought.
Atau lagi.
Mana pokok? Give me my money. I'm taking you to. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I'm taking you to the police. Nampak lama dah.